Winter in Wisconsin means snow, ice, and bundling up. But what if I told you there was a way to escape the cold without ever having to leave Wisconsin? Welcome to Metropolis Resort in Eau Claire, where the fun never stops, no matter the season. Inside these walls, you'll find Chaos Water Park, a tropical getaway packed with slides, splash zone, activity pools, a hot tub, and warm water fun. And right next door, Action City takes the excitement to the next level with go-karts, laser tag, trampolines, mini bowling, bumper cars, an arcade that will keep the family entertained for hours. So when the temperature drops, this is where families come to play, laugh, and make memories. So grab your swimsuit, ditch the winter gear, and let's check out the ultimate indoor adventure right here in northwestern Wisconsin. I'm your host, Patrick Rebman, real estate and lifestyle expert. Come on, let's go. I am with Billy Bandley, Director of Overall Fun.
That's right.
Here at Metropolis Resort. That's a fun title.
It is. It spells out Duke, so that's just how they got to know me.
That's awesome. Introduce us to Metropolis Resort and everything you've got going here.
We've got a lot going on. So we are a family entertainment center with an arcade, go-karts, bumper cars, you name it, we've got it. Trampoline park, and then we've got a hotel for guests who want to stay out of town, a full-service restaurant, and then the indoor water park.
Tell me what makes this a great winter destination in Wisconsin.
Well, the easy answer is we're inside. So it's cold outside a lot of times where there's snow and it's a little unpredictable. We're pretty climate controlled. It's always 85 degrees in the water park, which is really nice. Sometimes it's a 100-degree temperature swing. So there's a lot of good reasons to come and stay with us.
You got a lot of attractions here, I saw. What are some of the most popular?
So some of the most popular, the trampoline park for sure, especially during the winter because it lets the kids get out and get some of that energy gone. The arcade is always a fun one, a lot of different things. There's something for everybody here. And the water park because it's warm all year out.
Wonderful. Talking about just tourism, what kind of impact do you have on the local economy?
I mean, we have about 120,000 people come through Action City's doors every year. Wow. That's 2024, and we're expecting to have more. And a lot of that is hotel traffic. We have 111 hotel rooms, and we're sold out just about every weekend. Spring break for us is 7 weeks long. So every school has a different schedule. And so we fill up those 6 or 7 weeks. Sometimes it's 3 weeks, sometimes it's 7, you never know. We have a lot of people come through our doors and coming specifically for us, but then they spend a lot of time out in the area.
What's your favorite part of being here? Why do you stay here?
Boy, it's tough. The reason that I'm still here is because it's a great company to work for. We're family owned. The family is local. We actually have 3 generations of the family that is involved with the business. And that's a really great. They treat it like a family establishment. You know, a lot of people think that we're a big chain or, you know, we're the Great Wolf or Kalahari. We're not. We're locally owned. There's only one of us. That we are the corporate office. And so it's been great. And I've done just about every job you can here. I started off as a lifeguard in the water park. I ran Action City for a lot of years, and now I'm kind of focused on our growth and next steps.
Awesome. Well, thank you for having us. It was a pleasure talking to you. Thank you, Metropolis Resort. Thank you at home for tuning in. My name's Patrick Rebman, and I'll see you next time on The American Dream.